Hey friends, doing a quick little update video here on Globalstar. So a few days ago I made a video talking about calls that are coming up with Globalstar, and I believe that's what's driving up the price right now. There's been articles on this, and there's no real news that's come out with Globalstar. They did just sign another partnership, but other than that small contract they just signed, there's no real big sustainable life-changing news that's coming out. So I believe we're just seeing investors get into this right now because they have call options coming up, and this is pretty much the name of the game right here with what we're seeing. We're seeing a little bitty GameStop situation happen right here, like micro fraction right now of GameStop. So going into June and July here, we know there's some pretty big calls coming up where Globalstar had to hit $2. I know I bought some calls around last February, around this time last year, honestly, for Globalstar to be at least $2. And they are going to be ending. One ends here in June, and then there's another one in July. So I know a few other people that have bought those calls, and I really think that's what we're seeing right now. We're just seeing this thing being driven up by investors, and very smart investors, because they know there's some big calls right now that need to hit for people to keep their money. So the question is, will Globalstar hit $2? Personally, the way this whole stock market is going right now, I'm not going to say it's going to hit $2. Would it hit maybe if it can keep this momentum into June, maybe even July? Just even fingers crossed, Globalstar could hit some more contracts, some more news. We could definitely have a second run here with Globalstar. But will it sustain $2? No, I don't think it's going to sustain $2. You are your own investor, and I am not a professional stock advisor. But personally, I know that Globalstar cannot sustain $2. There's no way it can do it. They're not out of debt. They're not bringing their market cap, all those things, the whole caboodle. You really may want to consider what to do at that moment: buy, sell, or hold. Obviously, I would not buy. But just this week alone, from last week to this week, Globalstar has been doing good. They have been keeping around this $1.50 range. And right now we're sitting around like a $1.35, $1.40 bid price on it. And I think that's great, honestly. So with me saying all this, the bottom line of what I'm trying to say here is just be careful with Globalstar right now. You know, this could go south real fast. So if you're buying this around $1.50, $1.60, really be careful, because this thing could plummet right back down to $1.20 real fast once we hit into June here. I'm really curious to see what's going to happen in June here, especially into July. But just know there's a lot of people that are about to make a lot of money on contracts that they have had for over a year or more. And it looks like we're going to finish the race here with Globalstar over $1 and collect our trophy, because I definitely don't see Globalstar plummeting under $1 as of right now. So friends, this is just what I'm seeing with evidence that I'm looking into. Like I said, I'm not a professional stock advisor. I am just a guy with a YouTube channel making content who obsesses over things, especially when it has to do with my money and other people listening to me. I know this is a very serious thing, so just be careful here with Globalstar. If you're in this for the long run, then you're probably not going to care about buying Globalstar at $1.30, $1.50. But if this is something you're expecting to see like $2, $2.50, and sustain that this year, I don't really believe that's going to happen unless Apple or Elon Musk signed a contract with Globalstar. So guys, these are my thoughts. This is what I see. Remember, stay positive, be you, and I will talk to you very soon. Best of luck out there, guys. This stock market is a little crazy right now. Bye, friends.